Okay, so hopefully you can hear me and this all goes well. This is the first time I've tried to do this from my computer. I usually do it from my phone, but we're getting a lot of questions, how do I get my printer settings all set up? So that's what I'm hopefully going to show you today. So at this point, you should have got your printer on, set up, and connected to Wi-Fi, okay? So then you're just going to go to your computer, and I just type in printers, and it pops up right there for me. And I'm going to add a printer or scanner. It's going to search, do its thing. As you can see, it's pulling up what I have right here. Now, we have two the 2720s, so hopefully I'm choosing the right one. It's usually Jeff who does this, and he's pretty good about it usually. And then you're going to click Add Device, and then it should be ready to go. So on here, you'll see a lot of people talking about like their colors, the RGB, CMYK, that we don't mess with any of that, and we haven't over the 3 years that we've been doing this. We just let it do its own. We don't pick any actual settings. We don't go change any of that as far as your colors go.